Hey guys, it's Katie. What's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today when I'm filming this, it's actually Friday and I'm leaving tonight to fly to Miami and then get on a cruise ship tomorrow. I'm so excited. I've never been on a cruise before and I thought it would be fun to do kind of a different video and just take you guys along with me while I prep for everything. I got my nails done, got my hair cut, did a bunch of packing, ran some errands, and just other random things. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I'm going to be vlogging my entire trip, so stay tuned for that. I don't know when those vlogs will be up, but hopefully soon. Let me know how long you have until your summer starts or if you're already on summer break down below in the comments section. If you haven't already, please subscribe to this channel, and without further ado, let's get right into it. I look psycho right now, but I have no time to explain what's going on with me like being at home and getting a haircut, so I'll explain it all afterward. But I'm about to get my hair cut. Also, you can't see it right now, but my hair is like gross. I haven't had it trimmed in so long. And I have so many split ends and like random unevenness in my hair. So there we go, my hair is all healthy and trimmed and I literally just want to go like that to my hair all day. Also, random side note, I was going to do blonde highlights in my hair, but then I decided that I didn't want to do it because I can just put sun in my hair and it'll get light over the summer. I do that like every summer and it's hard to tell, but this is like my natural hair color that's grown out. And if you look, like compared to up here, you can definitely see it's gotten darker as I've gotten older, which is so sad. Nail time. Oh, this one might be good.
I kind of like that one.
I kind of like it better.
I like it better because
it says it lasts longer too.
I like it better. This is going to come out really light. I like this.
Yeah.
This is going to be good.
I think this is what I'm going to do on my toenails.
Oh, yeah?
And then I'm still trying to decide what I want to get on my finger.
You like this one or no?
It's kind of bright because you think about it on your fingers and it'll be all sparkly. But if you like it, then do it. Here they are. They're a little longer than I thought they would be, but I think they look super pretty. My nail lady did a great job. What? There's Allie. She's getting purple. It's not in focus. Here, can I see your nail? Show me your nail.
It's not done yet. These are he's doing it.
Pretty, pretty. Hey guys, today is Friday and I leave, I don't know what time it is. Alexa, what time is it?
It's 12:27 p.m.
Okay, it's 12:30 p.m. I leave in 4 hours for my cruise and I really don't have anything packed. It looks like I do, but I've really just been throwing things over in this corner of my room all week, and I was like, oh, sometime on like Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday I'll just put all my outfits together, organize it all, and pack it, and then just like I'll be good to go whenever I have to leave. And of course I waited till the very last minute to do it. I have to go to Target still and get a few last minute random things. I have to get waterproof mascara because I was packing my toiletries the other day and I was like, I have no waterproof mascara. And I definitely do not want mascara dripping down my eyes when I'm like snorkeling or swimming or doing who knows what. So I have to get that. I have to get SPF foundation because I don't want to put foundation on my, see, can't even speak, that's how stressed out I am. I don't want to put sunscreen on my face because it makes me break out, and I'm out of my SPF foundation, BB cream, CC cream thing. I don't even know what it is. I'll show you when I go to Target, but I have to get some of that because I'm all out, and then I have to get another memory card for this camera because I don't want to run out of storage, so I'm gonna just start packing so I can do it. I've been waiting. I don't know why. I've had all morning to do this and I haven't done a thing, but I'm gonna pack this right now and then go to Target at some point with my brother because he has to get stuff too. We also have to drop something off at the post office. I ordered a chair for my room to go right there. I've gone through like 8 different chairs, honestly, to find one that works, and none of them have worked, and so I have to take that to the post office to return it, and I'm just gonna continue the search for a chair after I get back from vacation. Yeah, that's pretty much what's going on right now, pretty much the situation. I'm really regretting putting this off to the last minute, but it just has to happen right now. Also, my hair is a complete mess. I curled it last night for something and then I took a shower and I feel like there's still hairspray residue just sitting in my hair, and the only way it looked semi-good was to put it in a low ponytail. So, colonial boy status, but I'm gonna start packing. This is just atrocious. I'm gonna show you. Here is the mess of stuff. It's really kind of scary looking. I have this whole suitcase and this whole area full of just clothes. I have to organize everything and put together outfits. I have a very excessive amount of equipment. I have so much stuff in here. I have my GoPro, my big camera, my other lens, and a bunch of like extra battery equipment stuff in here. I have to pack my whole carry-on. Most of my toiletries are packed. That's like the one thing. I have all my liquids in here. this hat that's getting literally deformed because of my neck pillow. There's just so much stuff. Okay, I need to start doing this right now before it really gets to the point of being too late, and it can't happen. Just kidding, haven't packed a single thing. Will this stay on your dash?
No, maybe. Not when I drive.
Okay. We are off to the post office and Target, and then I guess we will pack after we come back, and hopefully I don't run out of time, but hopefully I'm not getting copyrighted. We got the goods. Oh, did a bird poop on your car? That's just lovely. We're getting coffee. We got the goods. Got the whole family drinks. And now we are going to a different post office because the one here would not take our package because it was too big. Woo woo. Okay, update. We went to the post office and they would not take our package. It's back there. They said it was too big as well, so we're gonna have to...
UPS just didn't have room for it.
Yeah, UPS didn't have room for it, and the post office just said it was like too big, it was oversized. So we're gonna have to figure that out another time, probably when we get back, or I'll have my dad do it later tonight when he or later today when he gets back home from work before we leave for the airport.
We're leaving as soon as he gets home, and dad's gonna come back at 4, pack in 30 minutes, and then we're going at like 4:30.
My dad's notorious for like packing at the very last minute.
Can I play music?
Love packing, yeah. Okay, anyway, he's gonna play music, but I don't want to get copyrighted, so we're on our way home now, and then I'll actually pack, and we'll get this video going for real. Okay, I'm finally back home and I'm exhausted. But I need to pack these sunglasses, so I'm taking them off. It is time to grind and pack. I made a dumb decision and didn't get a caffeinated drink. I was gonna get my usual drink, an iced chai latte, but they were out of like the syrup or something for that, I don't know. So I just got this little strawberry drink that I always used to get as a kid. I think it's like the strawberry frappuccino. Also, I don't know what's going on with my hair, so just disregard that, but I have to do this quick, so I think I'm just gonna do a time lapse probably. And the reason I'm in such a rush, you're probably like, what the heck, you're leaving in like 2 hours, but I want to edit part of this video because the flight that I'm going on is a red eye. We take off at like 9 and we get to Miami at 5 in the morning, so I have to sleep or else I will be grumpy and tired and exhausted, and nobody likes grumpy, tired, exhausted Katie. So yeah, gonna try to get as much as I can done as possible. We'll see what I can do like editing wise, but packing is not an optional thing. It's gonna happen right now. Hello? Hi. Hi.
Cheers. This little beauty brought me Starbucks.
I had a reward, so your drink was free.
Aw, thanks.
It's because I get too much Starbucks anyway, but it's beneficial because I have the rewards. Okay, time lapse, go. Okay, finally finished packing. It is currently 3:15 p.m. I have my carry-on all packed, this bag which you guys saw me pack, and then I just attached this little neck pillow on the back, all of my camera equipment, which I think I talked about earlier in this video, and then we're just gonna put these shoes on. And I am good to go. And there we go, that ends today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. Right after I end this clip, I'm gonna start a brand new clip introducing part 1 of my cruise vlogs. So be sure to stay on the lookout for those. Thank you all for watching this video. And also just realized I have a beautiful zit right there, so came conveniently just in time for vacation. Anyway, you guys are the best. Thank you so much for watching today's video. As I said, stay on the lookout for the cruise vlogs. They're coming soon. Hope you all have the best day, and I will see you soon with a brand new video. Bye guys. Mwah.